Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen. Well, today's video is for traditional Irish porter cake. Porter cake is made with Irish stout, fruit, mixed pale, it's baked in the oven and it goes really well with a cup of tea. So first of all we take our plain flour, put it into a sieve. Next to that we add some baking powder, pinch of salt, some mixed spice, and we give it a sieve. This just helps to aerate the cake. Then we add some butter, and using cold fingers we rub the butter in to make like a breadcrumb mixture. Just make sure that your hands are cold because you don't want to melt the butter, you want it to rub in. Now that we have our breadcrumb mixture, we're going to add some sugar. And now we're going to add our fruit. So we start off with some glassy cherries, then some mixed fruit, currants, sultanas, raisins, some mixed pale, just give that a stir around. As you can see, I have a 2-year-old who's giving his bit of stirring. He says the cake tastes better because of it. Then we're going to add our egg. And of course our Irish stout. I use Guinness, but you can use whichever stout you can get your hands on. Give this a mix around until it becomes like a batter-like consistency. Now folks, if you've seen any benefit from my videos, don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe. It does help the channel so that I can make some more content for you. Again, we have the 2-year-old giving his little bit of assistance. Now that our batter is mixed, we transfer it to a grease-proof blind baking tin. And now over to our preheated oven. Put it in the oven, cook it for about 30 minutes, turn the heat down and then cook it for a further 90 minutes. Just take a skewer, pop it in the middle just to make sure that it's all cooked through. If the skewer comes out clean, your cake is ready. If it doesn't, pop it in for another 5 minutes or so. Once it's cooked, remove it from the oven. Let it sit in the tin for about 10 minutes just to cool down. Now comes the moment of truth. So we remove our baking tin, take off our greaseproof paper, and our bread should be perfectly ready. As you can see, this is risen up, it's nice and brown, ready to be served. So we just slice it carefully. This one's still warm. It does slice easier if it's cold, but I like mine hot with some melted butter. As you can see, perfectly moist, steaming hot, well cooked. Just a perfect thing for a cold day and a nice mug of tea. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.